it.
From this one?
Yeah.
Which one would be better? That
Oh yeah.
Depends on what you want to do. I like this one.
Go, go, go. We gotta take off before Kazra decides
No,
to fly.
I'm gonna go. I have more packs. Come on.
Alright, this will be the last. Yeah, Ray, let's go.
Because we've got more packs, Ram. We can go again. I got another pack ready to go. What'd you do? What the hell?
What the hell? He's riding my ass.
Going up.
That's what you get. Taking off.
Sorry, Kazra. I thought you got it off.
Alright, taking off. Oh, wait, hold on.
Kazra's still on the damn runway. I thought he was off already.
No happy hour.
What?
I'm gonna wait. No happy hour anymore at OCP.
Not at all?
No.
Well, screw them. Nobody's going there anymore.
Where,
On the border.
So that's out.
Okay, so then BJ's has it.
On Sunday?
Yeah, there's Applebee's too. Yeah, I know.
No. BJ's where?
I don't care wherever. Either here or... Jesus.
Ron, is that you? Crazy guys.
Low fast.
Yeah, well, I'll figure it out then. There's too much going on right now. Frank, I'm on you.
Alright, low pass again.
Low pass is done.
Low speed.
Why the hell is everyone else so fast? Jesus, Nate.
Low fast.
Go.
Fast.
I'm with you. I'm with you. Going with you. Wow, it's hard to tell orientation.
It is. I'm glad this color scheme is two different colors, so it's easier to...
Low pass, guys, after.
Yeah, you can't do it.
I'm gonna do a real slow low pass too. Jesus. I'm gonna do a high alpha low pass.
Coming right with Ray on this one.
High alpha low pass.
No, I'll show you. Actually, I'm not going to show you what it is. Low pass.
30 seconds.
I can get more time to fly.
God, get out of these crazy kids' way. Jesus. You guys are nuts. You're even worse than we are. Alright, where's Nate? Let me go chase Nate. Sheesh.
10, 9, 8,
Alright, I'm gonna do gear pass.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Alright, I'm gonna do gear pass.
Everybody all at once, Jesus.
I'm going to do gear
Gear pass, lady. Gear pass, gear pass.
Alright, landing.
Oh, God.
Nate.
Gear pass, lady. Gear pass, lady. Oh, yeah. Yep. Right, I'm up there with you.
Okay, guys, I got to do gear check.
Isn't it?
The plane wants to do something.
Boop.
Just like,
Nope.
nope. Land after that.
Guys, get off the landing.
Alright, I'm at the end, you're fine.
Plenty of power.
22.5
If you've got a 5500,
55.
I got a 58, so I know I'm fine. I'm going to do a very low high alpha pass.
1 minute over.
All right, I'm gonna. Where are you?
I'm on towards the end.
Okay, tell me when you've gone past. I'm gonna do a high off. A blast pass from the left. Okay, I see you. Okay, I'm right over the runway fast. Now I'm doing a fast one from the right.
Minutes over.
Alright.
What's your voltage? Okay, so I'm probably right around where you are. I'll follow you in, but then I'm gonna land behind you.
2.1. I mean, it was under load.
Okay. What the heck? You didn't set down soon enough.
No, I came down with that was high.
You gotta land here, Frank. Watch.
You got a high alpha, you did.
Here, watch.
Yeah, you got a high alpha that shit in.
Like that. That's the only way to get it to slow down. Oh, come on. Bing, 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 bing. Crazy, guys. Each flight that I do, the decals come off a little more. Are you going again?